Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now today you can see we have two coins. We are starting with the silver coin. This is the second issue in the Beauty, Rich and Rare series, and you can see today we are going to be looking at the Daintree Rainforest. It is a 2022 $5 silver coin. Daintree again there. And here we go straight into the box. It's from the Royal Australian Mint. Now, this particular packaging is very snug when it's in this box, and the reason being is that it's got this tissue paper fiber around the box, and this is all to do with our environment. So the Royal Australian Mint has been trying to lower their carbon footprint for a while, and they've changed some of their packaging. So here's some of the different packaging that we're going to see today. I do believe this box is a carbon box, and there should be a note in here. I think this is it here, and this is going to tell us about their new campaign to try and do better in regards to the environment. Yes, there we go. They're taking steps to reduce their environmental impact, which is great, especially when it comes to this particular theme. We are talking about one of Australia's treasures, if not one of the world's treasures, which is the Daintree Rainforest. Now, first of all, of course, you get your regular certificate. We're looking at number 32 today. And as I said before, it is the second in the Beauty, Rich and Rare series, and it is the Daintree Rainforest. Now, the mintage on the silver coins is 7,500. They are proof and they are 1 ounce silver. So let's have a look at the coin itself. We'll just move the tissue paper away there and get a better view. Now, for those of you that have seen curved coins from the Royal Australian Mint, you know they are always done to a very high standard, and this does not disappoint. I would say, well, actually no, there's one disappointment here for me personally, and that's because you cannot take these coins out of their capsules. I'd love to get closer, but unfortunately they're very hard to take them out because they have been sealed at the mint, but in turn it does protect your coin further. So there we go, we can see around the edge there, 2022 Beauty, Rich and Rare. It's a $5 coin and it's partially coloured. So you may remember on the Great Barrier Reef, it was a school of fish that had been coloured on that piece. And today we've got some of those treetops. Now, the obverse of this coin's really cool because I think it shows you some other aspects that will be coming from the series. And it's really nice, this motif, how the design mixes in with one another and complements everything all over this side of the coin as well. Now, as normal, we've got the Queen on there, and back over to the reverse of the coin, we'll see that lovely angle looking up at those treetops, perhaps looking down. It's hard to tell, isn't it? What do you think? What's your personal opinion on that one? We'll move that to the side for a second and take a look at the gold version. As you can see, the gold comes in a larger box. We've got 2022 $100 gold proof curved coin, and this is more of the Royal Australian Mint's traditional boxes when it comes to their high-end pieces. So with the gold you do get this very iconic box from the Mint, and I have to point out one of the things I love personally is this angle there. I think that's very elegant and it definitely does show the class of this high-end product. And once you open the box, you can see the beautiful coin there for you in a very special capsule, but we're just going to take a look at the large certificate first. So here we are, the certificate of authenticity also has the same angle on it as the box, which is quite nice. And we have some extra information here about this particular theme of this coin. And it's World Heritage listed since 1988. So it's very, very special. It's actually home to around 30% of all of Australia's mammal species, which is phenomenal. Now, speaking of phenomenal, here we go. There is a mintage of 750 pieces in the gold. So you've got the $100 value, you've got a 1 ounce gold, and 750 pieces of this particular curved coin. Now we've got the emblem there, Royal Australian Government, or sorry, Australian Government Royal Australian Mint. And we'll just take out this coin from the box. Once again, I think the only disappointing part is the fact that you cannot take these coins out of the capsules, but that is done partially to protect the product itself. Now in the gold, that green really does stand out. That's beautiful there. And I still can't tell, is it looking up from inside the rainforest or looking down? What do we think? The obverse, also very nice to look at here again in gold. And as I said before, of course, it's Queen Elizabeth II. And you can see there, it's 49 gold, 0.49. Australia 1 ounce. But just take a look at this detail here. The coloring's beautiful. Daintree rainforest. It's just amazing that Australia has so many of the world's most beautiful places. It really is a fantastic country, just phenomenal. All of its species of plants and animals, so special. So it's no surprise that it is heritage listed. And there's the two side by side. What do you think? Which do you prefer? $5 1 ounce silver or $100 1 ounce gold? Lovely to see them side by side. In there, your close up. And if you're interested in purchasing these pieces, they are available from our website. That's www.emk.com. And you're also very welcome to check out the first in this series, which was the Great Barrier Reef. And then I believe there'll be another issue coming shortly. But those are the coins for today.